Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JNC Collects. Today we are going up against each other with some boxes that we found at our local consignment shop. One was a Tyranitar EX Box, and another one was, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce that.
Quaquaval EX? Quaquaval?
Quaquaval. I have no idea.
EX?
Hopefully we got it.
I don't know. But we're going to battle it up, guys. So make sure to give us a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, follow, and let's get into battling it out.
So this one comes with 6, hers comes with 8, so to make this fair, she's going to give me one of hers.
Just one. Just one.
Everybody gets one, right? Everybody gets one. Alright guys, so...
Mine will all be Palladian Fates, and I did give him one. I did give him one, guys.
So, I had my Palladian Fates, which will be the good one. But this one came with the Tyranitar, came with Twilight Masquerade, Temporal Forces, Drift. Alright, so one Twilight and the rest were, oh, 2 Twilights.
Okay. Let's go. Palladian Fates, Lapras, Toadstool, Latronk, Charmeleon. Ooh, nice shiny hip. Ooh, we have that one, but nice. Cool.
Alright, gonna do Temporal Forces. Can't remember how these ones are laid out, so if it's in the middle, and I think I just showed that I got something by accident. So, let's get to it. I think I'm gonna need a sleeve on this one.
Let's go.
Sleeve me up, Scotty. Ooh, Hero's Cape and...
Eerie?
Eerie?
Airy? Eerie?
And the Iron Thorns, okay.
Nice.
So, I'll take the Hero's Cape. That's actually a really, really nice card. Sleeve me up. So that's where you're putting yours at?
Yeah.
I think my pink's beating yours so far.
My full art? Am I shiny? I don't know.
I don't know, because I'm not counting my Iron Thorns.
Yeah. Clive. Nice. Numel and Mimikyu.
What's
Awesome.
Oh, okay. Alright. Different one, Paradox Rift. Right. Venom.
Middle Tank. Wimpod. Steamy. Let's go. Get us a banger.
Okay.
Banger, banger.
Okay.
Very nice.
Alright.
Mankey, Magmar, Neoma, Charmander, Gengar, Charmeleon, Oink! Nat 2. Oh, shit! Oh my god!
Holy moly.
Wo Ching EX.
What is that?
Holy shit, it's a 3-star. This is a gold card.
Yeah.
This is a gold card.
Here, babe. No fingerprints.
I just pulled a gold card.
Wow.
This is our first gold.
Yeah.
No, we had the nest balls.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Well, do I just concede now?
Palladian Fates. Whoa.
That was
Sick.
one crazy pull. Oh my god. Another Paradox Rift. Sheesh, I'm like... Golly.
Palladian Fates. I think this is probably my favorite series. I don't know.
Alright, come on. Give me something good now. Are these all yours?
Oh yeah, sorry. I blacked out.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm out of breath.
Yeah. Beautiful. They're still really pretty. Still really pretty.
I think that's a consolation. She's over here just in it, just loving it. Calm down, BK.
Rare Candy,
What was that?
Cottony,
That's
Pineco, Numel, Backpack, Woobat, Wooper. Ooh,
I
this
think
one's
that's new.
nice.
Is that new?
It is new, hollow wise, yeah.
Temporal Forces. Come on. Leave me up, Scotty, and give me something good.
Let's go. Come on.
Sharknado.
I like that card.
I do too, actually.
I like the art. We have it, but I love it.
Oh, come on.
That's the Roaring Moon. Very nice. I'll also take it. We have the EX.
Yeah, we do have the EX.
But I'll take that one too.
Alright. I'm liking these Palladium Fates cards. Sheesh. All go. That is a 3-star pool. I'm still baffled over that. Look at her. She's just sitting in it.
Look, it's ours. It's not like it's
Yeah.
mine. It is ours.
I think she has something again. Oh, the memory card.
Let's go.
Okay.
Shiny.
Alright, so Twilight Masquerade. It's the last one from the Tyranitar box, so honestly, other than getting the EX from it, I mean, it's per pack, the type of pack, so they either hit or miss, but maybe I just got a bad box. But it did come with some nice, I guess you could say, promos
Yeah.
in it, so I'm not too disappointed in it.
And we got it on sale.
Yeah, which was surprising.
And hard to find. We haven't found this anywhere yet.
Abra.
Nice.
Do you have that?
I don't think in a hollow. Woobat, Fanny, Iono. Let's go. No, lame.
Man, I think the whole thing about me having the best Palladium Fates pack out of that box is gone for good now.
Yeah, I would say that. Yeah, I think we're done after. I mean, we are done after these 2 packs, but that gold one was it.
I think you got the best one out of that box. There's no way they're gonna give us 2, right? No way they give us 2.
You never know. Ooh, shiny.
Moonlit Hill. That looks new.
Ooh, we have
And
him.
another one of those.
He trolls us
That he does.
so much. All right, my final pack, guys. Let's go. Ghastly, Palladium Student, Fido, Charmeleon. Come on, Oink, Fanny, and
No.
Lame.
Alright.
Not lame. This was pretty fun. I mean, my
This was
box,
good.
the Quaquaval.
Quaquaval. I have no idea.
You know, Quaxley, like that box was it. I got lucky.
Yeah, you did.
I got lucky, guys.
Thanks for joining. I appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys.
Make
Definitely
sure,
like you guys join us with that crazy pool. So
yeah. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.